Hey, my name is Dr. Chelle. Thank you so much for coming to Dr. Test Prep. Not because I want a lot of views and subscribers, which of course I do, but I hope that you are going to learn a whole lot to help you improve on the PSAT and SAT because I'm teaching you tons of how to use the Desmos calculator. Remember, the focus of my videos are to help kids who are in the lower than like 650-ish range. Okay, I'm not covering the super advanced stuff in this series. I'm really helping units 2, 3, 4, and 5 help kids get up to about 500, 5, 10, 20. And then these videos, units 6, 7, 8, and 9, help you get into the like 650s and higher. So if you know everything, that's where you're shooting. And I actually did include some advanced math into this. But anyway, so we're doing right now Unit 6, Lesson 6. We are doing Systems of Linear Equation word problems. If you've purchased my book, we are on page 112. If you did not purchase my book, it's totally fine with me. I don't care. Get paper and pencil, write some notes. But no matter what, whether you have my book or not, you need to open up the Desmos calculator. The link is in the description. And please go to Choose Assessment College Board. If you don't, I guarantee you there will be questions that I cover, maybe not in this video, but a future one, that it won't work because you don't have it selected. And I can tell you that from experience because I remember thinking, I know I did this problem before. Why is it not working? And it was because I wasn't in the College Board Desmos calculator. Let's look at question number 1. Sherry is earning extra money doing nails for her friends. Last fall, she had 28 clients. She charges $25 for a standard manicure and $45 for acrylics. She earned $1,000 total. How many clients wanted the standard manicure and how many wanted acrylics? So, first of all, usually when we have systems of equations, we have something that deals with total and something that deals with money. Not all the time, like question number 2 doesn't deal with money. But the most important thing is your first equation will almost always be x plus y equals 28. Will almost always be like a count. Your second equation, especially if it's money, will deal with money. So it says 25 is the manicure for X. So we have 25X, $45 for equivalent acrylics. Wow. And then altogether, she earned $1,000. So that gives us our systems. Now, if you watch the Khan Academy videos, they're going to show you how to do substitution and they're going to show you how to solve that way. That's why you're watching mine. Watch x plus y equals 28. Enter. 25x plus 45y equals 1,000. It'd be nice if I typed zeros. Dr. Ehrig, Doc, I don't see the answers. You're right. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Boom. That's our answer. We have 13 standard manicures, and we have 15 acrylics, and that's it. Like the hardest part is interpreting the question. Hello. Simeon has 65 games total between Xbox One and Nintendo Switch. So we're just going to put X for Xbox and Y for Nintendo Switch, and altogether he has 65 games. His Xbox games are equal, so X equals 10 less than twice. So the less than means that goes afterwards, twice the number of Switch games. Write a system of equations we just did and determine how many games he has for each console. So I'm just going to do X plus Y equals 65. X equals 2Y minus 10. Nope, you don't need to do substitution. You just need to scroll. He has 40 Xbox games. And he has 25 Switch. I know. It's like you learn how to use a Desmos calculator. That's all I can say. Like my videos and keep watching them because it's literally this easy. All right, the carnival is coming to town. Woohoo! Adult tickets are $15 and child tickets are $10. So we're going to do 15A for adult, 10C for child. Now, here we're talking about people, 6,250. So it's not going to go on this line because it doesn't deal with money. That'll go on my second equation. And we know that adults and children go. So that's my second equation. if 6,250 people attended the carnival and the company earned $73,500, how many adults and children tickets were sold? So here we go. This should be child. So I'm going to type in 15A plus 10C equals 7,300. And I get A plus C equals 6,250. Doc, why am I getting triangles and not graphs? Because Desmos doesn't know what A and C mean. So we're going to just make the A's be X's and the C's be Y's. And I do like my students to type it in with the A's and C's first. But just because when you're taking a high stakes test, you want to make sure your active working memory is as free as possible. Doc, I don't see the answer. Well, we know it's going to be at least somewhere in the 6,250. So I'm going to hit this gear and I'm going to go crazy. I'm going to make this be 10,000. And now I can see that part. And I'm going to make this be 10,000. And eventually I'll see them cross. And Desmos is so generous that they just make it a point for you. So that's our answer. We have 2,200 adults and we have 4,000. We don't need the plus sign. And we have 4,050 children. And that's it. Like, I know. All right, lots of word problems now, no multiple choice. Take a breath and look for the pattern. Once you discover it, this will be easy. Let me just say real quick, I intentionally did not put as many multiple choice questions in the later units because I don't know what they're going to have be as student created responses. If they're multiple choice, there are even easier ways to do these problems, but I wanted to show you the more difficult way because when I said, if you find out the pattern, like money, 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 person, 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 it's super easy. Okay. All right. In our next video, we're going to look at harder questions. This is Dr. Chelle. Thank you for coming. Bye-bye.